right, guys, I just finished a live over here on TikTok. We were dancing, we were talking about all kinds of things, and then the subject of Christmas came up, and I started to talk about Santa. I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why vegans are better than Santa. The first reason is that Santa eats cookies and drinks milk, and never does he mention that they are vegan. So that is absolutely atrocious. He should be telling everybody that he will refuse to accept any milk unless it is soy milk, oat milk, hemp milk, or any other kind of plant-based milk. And the cookies that he eats, they should have no milk in them and no eggs either. And he should absolutely refuse to give anyone presents if they have dead body parts in their house or any kind of food or any kind of furniture that isn't 100% vegan. Second of all, vegans will never wear wool or fur or feathers. And if you look at Santa's outfit, he has a trim on there. Now, which kind of animal is he wearing? Or is that wool that was ripped away from a sheep who wanted it? Santa should be telling us that his clothes are vegan. He should have it clearly marked. This is a vegan sweater. This is a vegan hat. These are vegan gloves. He should let children know that he is an ethical vegan so that there is no mistaking what he stands for. The third reason is, why is Santa only giving gifts to humans? What about all of the animals? You know, the animals who are on sanctuaries right now living there because they've been saved by vegans? Do you know how hungry they are? Do you know how many amazing sanctuaries there are right now with animals who don't have enough hay, enough barns to protect them? Why is Santa, in all of his bags, never having gifts for the animals? We want vegan dog food to be in there, we want vegan cat food, and we want lots of items to be in that sled of his, including all kinds of products to be able to make shelters for the animals. Now, for those of you who are watching, make sure that you look up the local sanctuary in your neighborhood and go and donate to them, because Santa seems to have been forgetting the animals year after year. The fourth reason is that Santa is fat. Now, I want you to look around at the vegans that you know. I want you to count how many you see who are unhealthy, overweight. The vast majority of us take care of ourselves. We do our best to eat whole foods, healthy foods, because the average vegan is more intelligent than Santa. We also have more willpower than him. So, for those of you who are watching, if you want to be better than Santa, go and look at Chronometer and put in all the foods that you eat so that you make sure you get all the nutrients that you need. And the reason that that's important is because you need to stay healthy so that you can speak out to defend the defenseless, and we can help end the animal holocaust that's going on right now. And what about the reindeer? Did anybody ever think about them? Do you think that the reindeer want to be enslaved and have these ropes around them, tied up, forced to do whatever it is that Santa wants, forced to go left, forced to go right, forced to go all the way from the North Pole, all the way down to Florida, and all the way over here to Italy and all around the world? I don't think so. You know, do they have a union? Are we making sure that these animals are getting breaks? In fact, you know what? Fuck the union. Animals should not be enslaved. Just like you don't believe in enslaving black people, right? Don't enslave the reindeer. Let them be. Let them be free. Santa, get off your ass and walk around if you want to. Or I don't know. Take a hot air balloon. Yeah, do that. And what about the packaging? My goodness, so much plastic. Plastic is not good for the environment, which means it's not good for the animals. That's right. So Santa, when you're giving out your gifts, every gift should be wrapped in pillowcases. That's right. Pillowcases, nice cotton pillowcases that people can reuse. And also to put a bow around them, instead just use a shoelace, a couple of shoelaces. People can reuse the shoelaces after, sustainable gifts. Come on, get with the program, Santa. Now listen, Santa needs to honestly just step aside. Let vegans take over Christmas. When we are in charge, we will make sure that nobody gets any presents. That's right. Why the hell do we need to give these spoiled brat kids presents anyway? You know, most of them eat animals. Most of them don't give a shit about anything. They're in the schoolyard stepping on ants. We need to have more discipline. That's what we need. Don't give them cookies at all, unless they're, date cookies with oats in them. Things like that. We need some structure. We need kids to have better, curtains in the room. That's right, more curtains to make sure it's dark in there so they can get their sleep. Take away their devices, put them in the bedroom in the pitch dark. That's what kids need today. Vegans, we would be better than Santa. We need to take over this Christmas thing, guys. Holy fucking ta-da! Becoming vegan is like learning there's no Santa. Everyone you trusted was lying to you, and your friends get mad just for telling them something that's true. All right, so here, I'm going to tell you what vegans do at Christmas. What we do at Christmas is we sit around in a circle eating healthy vegan foods. There's no dead turkeys on the table. There's no lambs that are bleeding. There's nothing sacrificed. There are just healthy vegan foods that everybody loves, and we have them in abundance. We also sing. And yeah, we dance. What we do as vegans is we each take a turn in our families to pick our favorite song that we love, and we all dance to it. So everybody dances to each other's songs, whether you like it or not. You pretend to like it. So if grandma wants to dance to the polka or whatever it is, everybody dances. And if the 13-year-old wants to dance to K-pop or God knows what, as long as there's not any bad words in it, everybody dances to each other's songs. It is so much fun. And also, remember this. Have paper and pencil at the table and make children write out 2 of the most important commandments. Remember, Christmas is supposed to be a religious holiday. Christmas, okay? So write out the most 2 important commandments. Thou shalt not steal, thou shalt not kill. If you're sitting there and you're eating a chicken wing, or you're digging into the body of a lamb or a chicken or a turkey or a cow, you have stolen their life. You have stolen their freedom. So make sure the kids write out that sentence at least 100 times each, okay? Thou shalt not kill, thou shalt not steal. And that's another thing that we should do. Make sure that Santa gives out good old-fashioned pencils and paper from recycled trees, of course. And that's my message for you today. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all of the Santa fans you know. Holy fucking ta-da! Becoming vegan is like learning there's no Santa. Everyone you trusted was lying to you, and your friends get mad just for telling them something that's true. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan